Hello everyone, Randy Gomez here. You know I've got game in my name, and today I'm going to talk about someone I admire a great deal. Not because I love his work, but because I admire what he's been able to accomplish with no discernible talent whatsoever. I'm talking about Daniel Robert Middleton, otherwise known as DanTDM. DanTDM is an internet sensation who has created a virtual empire by playing video games on YouTube. His YouTube channel has more than 23.7 million subscribers. His YouTube videos, which he posts about twice a week, rarely receive less than 2 million views. What he does is he plays video games and streams his gameplay live on Twitch, where his streams are routinely more than 2 hours in length, and he has more than 700,000 followers. Then he edits those videos down and puts them on his YouTube channel. Do I watch the guy? Heck no. He annoys the crap out of me. But then I'm not his target audience. So how do I even know about him? Well, I'm a parent. A few years ago, my youngest daughter, that's the soccer player from my last video, wrote a letter to Santa Claus asking for a DanTDM backpack, a DanTDM plush toy, and this book, Traoris and the Enchanted Crystal, a graphic novel by DanTDM. So I'm not a fan of his work, but I admire the man a great deal. I know what it takes to set up and broadcast a live stream, and the quality of his streams is very impressive. As a video editor, I know what goes into paring down and editing a video into something that's not only watchable, but entertaining, practically mesmerizing. DanTDM has an extremely loyal fan base of millions. His narrations are incredibly engaging, and it's his persona and his charming personality that keep people coming back for more. He has an infectious laugh, and you can tell that he absolutely enjoys what he does. He's a skillful announcer who knows how to draw in an audience and keep them engaged in what he's doing. At just 28 years of age, British-born Daniel Middleton has won a slew of Kids' Choice Awards and has set a Guinness World Record for his YouTube channel, The Diamond Minecart. That's what the TDM stands for, in case you were wondering. And in 2017, he was listed by Forbes magazine as the highest paid YouTuber with earnings of $16.5 million in 1 year. He started out in 2009 making videos about the popular card game Pokemon, and in 2012 he launched The Diamond Minecart, a YouTube channel primarily dedicated to playing Minecraft. Today he still plays Minecraft in addition to Roblox, Tomodachi Live, Fortnite, and indie games like Hello Neighbor and others. He's also appeared in a couple of web series, and if you saw the movie Ralph Breaks the Internet, he was the voice of E-Boy. He's written a graphic novel and an activity book based on his Minecraft characters, and he has a virtual store where you can get your fancy DanTDM merchandise. And although he's not yet 30, his net worth is estimated at $35.5 million. Let that sink in for a minute. So that's my presentation on DanTDM. In my last video, I promised I'd help you learn how to make your own gummy treats right at home. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see a link below that will take you to a random kids TV video where my daughter Zoe shows you how to make these super yummy goodies right in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. With game in my name, I'm Randy Gomez. I'll see you real soon. Bye now.